Good morning, students. Today we can find a solution for exercise number 8 in your book bag. See, a partnership firm earned a net profit during the last 3 years as follows: 2016, 20,000, 2017, 17,000, 2018, 23,000. The capital investment of the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 80,000. Capital employed 80,000. Capital investment means capital employed. Then, having regard to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be the fair remuneration, fair return on capital employed in the business. So here the normal rate of return is 15%. Okay, calculate the average value of goodwill basis of 2 years purchase of super profit. So number of years purchase is 2. Here we want to find out the average profit, then find out the normal profit, then super profit, then value of goodwill. All the 4 we should find out. Now we can start with the average profit. Now you listen on the board. First of all, we can find out the average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Here total profit how much? 2016 20,000 plus 2017 17,000 plus 2018 23,000. Okay, divided by 3. How much will come? 60,000 divided by 3 is equal to 20,000. So this is average profit. Okay, now we can find out the normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed, that is given in the question as capital investment, that is 80,000. The normal rate of return given as 15%, so 15 by 100. So this is the normal profit. Now we can average profit is there, normal profit is there. Average profit minus normal profit, that is 20,000 minus here 12,000. Okay, so we find out the super profit is equal to 8,000. 8,000 is the super profit. Then goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. So super profit is 8,000. So 8,000 into 2 years purchase 2 is equal to this 16,000. So this is the value of good. So very easy, no? So here capital investment means capital employed. All the other things are same. Okay. I think all of you understood well. Now we are going to the next method, that is annuity method. So super profit method already over. Now we can do the sums regarding annuity method. Okay. Let me read the question, illustration number 9. See, from the following information, compute the value of goodwill as per annuity method. Here you know, as per annuity method, goodwill is equal to super profit into present value annuity factor. Okay. So after finding out the super profit in the average super profit method, what we had done? Super profit into number of years purchase. Here super profit into present value of annuity factor. That is the difference. Then capital employed 50,000, normal rate of return 10,000, profits of 2016, 17, 18, 13,000, 15,000, 17,000 respectively. Then the present value of annuity for 1 rupee for 3 years at 10% is 2.4868. So annuity factor is 2.4868. That is also given in the question. All the other things what we need is given in the question. We can find out the average profit, then we can find out the normal profit, then we can find out the super profit, then we can easily find out the goodwill. Now you listen on the board. See, first total profit. We want to find out the total profit. For first year 13,000 plus next year 15,000 plus 17,000. 17,000 divided by 3. How much will come? 45,000 divided by 3 is equal to 15,000. So this is the average profit. Okay. Then normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate. Capital employed is given as 50,000. That is given in the question. Normal rate of return is 10%. So 10 by 100. So is equal to 5,000. Now super profit AP minus NP. AP is equal to 15,000. NP is equal to 5,000. Is equal to 10,000 rupees. 10,000. Okay. Now goodwill is equal to, what is the formula? Super profit into formula annuity factor. That is given in the question. Annuity factor is 2.4868. That is given in the question. So 10,000 into 2.4868. 40, you remove the 40, 24,000. So rupees 24,868. So this is the value of goodwill. Understood? So only one difference is that up to this much everything is same, but valuation of goodwill is equal to super profit into annuity factor. Annuity factor always given in the question. You don't want to learn the annuity factor, that must be given in the question. How much is the annuity factor? So multiply by the annuity factor, you will get the value of goodwill. Understood well? Okay, this is annuity method. Now we can go to exercise 9. Now he wants to find out the super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is given in the question 14,000. Normal profit is also given in the question 4,000. So rupees 10,000 is the super profit. Now we can find out the goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into annuity factor. How much is the super profit? Rupees 10,000 into how much is the annuity factor? 3.352. So 10. Here 3 decimal place, move 3 decimal place, put 10. So rupees 33,520 is the value of goodwill. So this method is very easy now. Here these are given, super profit, average and NP is given. If NP and AP is not yet given in the question, we have to find out the AP and NP, then only we can do the sums. Here we can easily find out the sums. Everything is given in the question. AP and NP is given in the question, so we can easily do the sums. Okay. Thank you.